Assalamualaikum kids. Welcome to Miss Elisa channel. Today we will learn about classifying plants. Before we start our study, let's say Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Plants. They are all around us. You could find different kinds of plants and different biomes. Plants are essential for human life. They provide us with oxygen, they provide us with food, and they even provide us with shelter in a way. We are going to be learning a lot about plants these times. Our world is full of different types of plants. Let us learn about them. Look at the picture. This is part of plants: flower, stem, leaf, and roots. Why do we need to classify plants? There are many different kinds of plants around us. Scientists told thousands of different kinds of plants in the world. Plants can be found in many places: on the ground, on buildings, on other plants, on rocks, or even in the water. How do we classify plants? Plants can be classified according to weather day. Plants have woody stems and plants have non-woody stem. For plants have woody stem, for example, trees, shrubs, woody vines. And plants have non-woody stems, for example, grasses, herbs, and non-woody vines. First, plants with woody stem. A woody stem is thick and covered with bark. Example: trees, shrubs, and woody vines. A. Trees are at least 6 meters tall. They have a thick and woody stem called a trunk. The baobab tree is one of the tallest plants in the world. Look at the picture. B. Shrubs have a woody stem and are less than 6 meters tall. Their branches grow close to the ground. For example, hibiscus plants and rose plants. The rose and hibiscus plants are shrubs. Next, C. Woody vines. Some vines have long woody stems. Vines usually grow on other objects such as walls and fences for support. Plants with non-woody stems. 1. Grasses are much smaller than trees. They have non-woody stems. Long and narrow leaves grow from the stem. For example, rice plants, barley plants, and wheat plants. 2. Herbs. Like grasses, herbs do not have woody stems. Herbs range from a few centimeters to about 1 meter in height. For example, buttercup plant and iris plant. 3. Non-woody vines. Some vines have long, fleshy, and non-woody stems. Look at the picture. The wooden support, and there is a Stem. The morning glory is a vine with a non-woody stem. Plants can be classified according to whether they produce flower. Plants are flowering and plants are non-flowering. Plants are flowering, for example, bougainvillea, sunflower, ixora, orchid. And for plants are non-flowering, example, bird's nest fern, tughorn fern, monarch fern, and moss. Flowering plants. Plants that produce flowers are called flowering plants. Some examples of flowering plants are shown beside. Look at the picture. Grass and bougainvillea. Non-flowering plants. Plants that do not produce flowers are called non-flowering plants. Some examples of non-flowering plants are shown beside. There is bird's nest fern, tughorn ferns, moss, and monarch fern. Look at the picture. How do we classify plants? Plants can be classified according to whether they produce. Plants produce seeds and plants produce spore. Plants produce seed, for example, papaya, guava, rock melon, lychee, peach, mango. Plants produce spore, for example, ferns and mosses. Seed-producing plants. All flowering plants produce fruit. Seeds are found inside the fruits. The seeds grow into new plants. Fruits with many seeds and fruits with one seed. Let's see. This is the picture for fruits with many seeds. For example, papaya, guava, and rock melon. And there is fruits with one seed. For example, lychee, peach, and mango. Spore-producing plants. Non-flowering plants such as ferns and mosses produce spore instead of seed. Spores are microscopic, for example, fern and mosses. In ferns, the spores are usually found in spore bags on the underside of the leaf. The spores grow into new plants. Look at the picture. There is spore bag containing spores. And there is spore capsule containing spores. In mosses, the spores are contained within spore capsules at the top of the point. And then, plants can be classified according to type of fruits they bear. Plants fruits. Fleshy fruits, for example, orange, tomatoes, grapes. Plants fruits, dry fruits, for example, pea pods, hazelnut, and dandelion fruits. Plants fruit, rough skin, example, kiwi, durian, and rambutan. Plants fruit smooth skin, for example, cherries, watermelon, and apple. This is the picture for plants that bear fleshy fruits. Fleshy fruits are soft and juicy. Grapes, tomatoes, and orange. Plants that bear with dry fruits. Dry fruits are usually hard. For example, dandelion fruits, hazelnuts, and pea pods. Plants that bear with smooth skin, Some fruits are smooth skin, for example, apples, watermelon, and cherries. Thank you for watching my video. Let's say hamdalah, alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.